الجمهورية القطرية معا إلى كل مكان. شكرا وصباح صباحكم بكل خير. سيدتي وسادتي، تقتضي السلطات المطار المحلية من المسافرين النزول من الطائرة ضمن مجموعة صغيرة مع فاصل زمني مدته 10 دقائق بين كل مجموعة وأخرى، لذا فإننا نرجو تعاونكم معنا في هذا الأمر واتباع تعليمات أفراد طاقم الضيافة أثناء نزولكم من الطائرة، وشكرا لكم على حسن تفهمكم.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Velana International Airport Maldives, winner of the world's leading destination at the 2020 World Travel Awards. The local time is 15 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and the outside temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Also remember that smoking is only permitted in designated areas of the airport. You may now use mobile electronic devices if you wish to do so. We hope that you include Qatar Airways in your future travel plan. To book your next flight, please visit QatarAirways.com. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the one with the lion, our co-chair partners, British Airways, LATAM, S7 Airlines, Fin Air Iberia, and Oman Air, and Captain Peterson, we wish you a pleasant stay in Maldives or a safe journey to your final destination. Qatar Airways, going places together.